Let's talk about file uploading. What does that mean basically? Unrestricted file uploading. Various web applications allow users to upload files such as pictures, images, sounds. Uploaded file may pose a significant risk if not if not handled correctly. A remote attacker could send a multi-platform data post request with a specially crafted file name or MIME type and execute arbitrary code. Yes, the consequences of unrestricted file upload can vary, including complete system takeover in overloaded file system or database, forwarding attack, DOS attack, backend system crashing, client-side attack, the complete credential sniffing. So I hope you understand about the file, what's the risk about this file uploading. Impact is very huge. So if you can upload any websites, the web server will be risk. The complete all the domain will be residing on that server will be on a risk. So I hope it's clear to you.